Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to sign in to the Zangi private messenger app. Let's dive in. First things first, open the Zangi app on your mobile device. You'll land on the welcome screen. Instead of tapping register, look for the small sign in link. Tap on that. Next, enter your Zangi private number. Make sure you remember this number or, paste it if you have it saved. Once your number is entered, tap the next button at the bottom right. Now, enter your password in the field provided. Take your time to type it carefully. After entering your password, tap the next button again. This will log you into your account. Once logged in, you'll see your account dashboard and all relevant information. If you enable the retain session option, you won't have to log in again next time. And that's it. You're now signed in to Zangi Private Messenger. If this tutorial helped, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.